Look at this bookshelf. Every one of these books was a promise I made to myself. The promise to learn, to grow, to get ahead. And for years, they just sat there, silently judging me. I'd start one, get 50 pages in, life would get busy, and I'd forget everything by the time I picked it up again. I used to think I just didn't have the time to read, until I discovered that the problem wasn't my schedule, it was my method. We live in a world overflowing with information. We want to learn, but we're fighting a battle for our own attention. We're left with this gap between the person we are and the person we want to become, fueled by all the knowledge we just can't seem to find the time to absorb. That was me, until a friend asked me a question that changed everything. He said, "Are you reading for the act of turning pages, or are you reading for the ideas inside?" That hit me. I didn't need to consume every single word to capture the core insight. I just needed a way to access the key takeaways quickly and effectively. And that's when I found the solution, 15Minutes.ai. Let me show you how it works. This is 15Minutes.ai, an AI platform that distills full-length books and audiobooks into powerful 15-minute summaries. They have a massive library of over 10,000 titles. Let's say I want to finally understand the key lessons from James Clear's Atomic Habits. With one click, I can generate the complete summary. Now, here's the best part. I'm not just stuck reading on the website. I can download it as a PDF to read on my computer, an EPUB for my e-reader, or, my personal favorite, as an audio file. This means I can turn my commute, my workout, or my walk into a learning session. In less than 15 minutes, I get the core concepts, the actionable frameworks, and the most powerful stories. It's like having the key to every great book ever written. So, let's talk about the real-world value. First, you're not just getting an AI dump. These summaries are expertly edited for clarity and insight. Second, the audio format is a game changer for consuming knowledge on the go. And here's a benefit I didn't expect. All the summaries are in clear, concise English. If you're looking to improve your English comprehension and vocabulary while learning, this is an incredible 2-for-1 tool. I'll be honest with you. Since I started using 15Minutes.ai, I've finished more books in 1 month than I had in the entire previous year. I can have an informed conversation about new bestsellers, apply business strategies from the latest leadership books, and finally feel like I'm closing that gap. You don't need more time, you just need smarter tools. With 15Minutes.ai, every spare moment becomes a chance to grow, while you walk, relax, or sip your morning coffee. Imagine finishing a book before your day even starts. That's not magic, that's the power of AI helping you learn faster than ever. So don't just scroll past another opportunity. Click the link in the description and try 15Minutes.ai today. It's free to explore, fast to use, and built to make you unstoppable. Narrator, confident close, upbeat tone. Start your 15-minute journey now, and turn every day into a smarter one. Don't forget to subscribe to Rugwe Media for more amazing AI tools that make your life easier and smarter. Rugwe Media, exploring the future with AI.